expensive app in India till now. So if you click this video, then you have a right place. So today we talk about the most expensive app in India. So let's start. So here's what's up, this is Luis and you're watching TIL. So in this video we will talk about the most expensive app in India till now. So if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, guys. We have to complete 1k. So the most expensive app in India is name Lucy Airplane, which is available in Google Play, and it costs something around 26,000, which is in 350 bucks. And this app is nothing, guys. As always, there is no much more graphics. There is a game something like flapping birds like this. So if you like the channel, please subscribe to this channel, guys, and we will meet soon with a new great content. Bye.